Welcome to Math Made Sense with Teacher K. For today's lesson, we're going to talk about problems involving linear inequalities in two variables. To start with, let us get acquainted with the different inequality symbols and their key phrases. So for the symbol less than, its key phrases are is less than and is fewer than. If the key phrase is greater than or is more than, we will use this symbol. If it's less than or equal to, or at most, or is no more than, then the symbol is this one. And if the key phrase is greater than or equal to, is at least, and is no less than, this is the symbol. Let's have problem 1. Anthony has a job as an appliance salesman. He earns a commission of 600 pesos for each washing machine he sells and 800 pesos for each refrigerator he sells. He needs to earn a commission of at least 10,000 pesos. If he sells 6 washing machines, what could be the least number of refrigerators that he needs to sell to reach the commission of at least 10,000 pesos? First, let's represent our variables. So let's have W as the number of washing machines that Anthony sells. So in the problem, Anthony sells washing machine and refrigerator. So let's have W for each washing machine he sells and the variable R for the number of refrigerator that Anthony sells. Each washing machine is 600 pesos and each refrigerator is 800 pesos. That's why we have here 600W plus 800R is at least 10,000 pesos. So this is our quota. At least, the symbol at least represents greater than or equal to. Hence, the inequality is 600W plus 800R is greater than or equal to 10,000. If Anthony sells 6 washing machines, what could be the least number of refrigerators that he sells? So remember that the washing machine is our variable W. So we will set W as equal to 6. And then let's find out what would be our R, the variable R, or what is the least number of refrigerator that he needs to sell. So using the inequality 600W plus 800R is greater than or equal to 10,000, let's replace or substitute 6 with our inequality. So this will be 600 times 6 plus 800R is greater than or equal to 10,000. 600 times 6 is 3,600 plus 800R is greater than or equal to 10,000. So in here, let's transfer 3,600 to the other side to combine like terms. So what's left is 800R is greater than or equal to 10,000 minus 3,600. So 800R is greater than or equal to 10,000 minus 3,600 is equal to 6,400. Okay, so to find the value of our R, that's the least number of refrigerator that he needs to sell, let's divide both sides by 800. This 800, it's 800. Hence, our R is greater than or equal to 6,400 divided by 800 is equal to 8. So the least number of refrigerator that he needs to sell is 8. Let's go to the second problem. Samantha is selling bracelets represented with the variable B and necklaces represented with the variable N to make money for her savings. The bracelets cost 100 pesos and necklaces cost 50 pesos. So this is her quota. She needs to make at least 5,000 pesos. So if Samantha was able to sell 35 pieces of bracelets, that's B equals 35, what could be the least number of necklaces that she needs to sell to earn at least 5,000 pesos? So let's represent our variables. B is the number of bracelet that Samantha sells, and N is the number of necklaces that Samantha sells. Our inequality would be 100B, since each bracelet costs 100 pesos, plus 50 N's, since each necklaces cost 50 pesos. So 100B plus 50N is, she need to make at least 5,000. The symbol at least is greater than or equal to. So our inequality is 100B plus 50N is greater than or equal to 5,000. Now, this is what is asked of the problem. If Samantha was able to sell 35 pieces of bracelets, so that's B equals 35, let's find, or what could be the least number of necklaces that she needs to sell. So we will find the value of N. So using our inequality, let's substitute B. So this is 100 times B, which is 35, plus 50 times N is greater than or equal to 5,000. 100 times 35 is 3,500 plus 50n is greater than or equal to 5,000. So let's combine like terms. So this will be 50n is greater than or equal to 5,000 minus 3,500. So 50n is greater than or equal to 5,000 minus 3,500 is equal to 1,500. Divided by 50, we have an n here, to solve for n. So divide both sides by 50. So n is at least, so 1,500 divided by 50 is equal to 30. So the least number, hence the least number of necklaces that Samantha needs to sell is at least 30. Let's have an assessment. So which of the following linear inequality corresponds to the statement, the sum of the science books S and math books M in the library is greater than 126? The correct answer is letter D. S plus M is greater than or equal to 126. So that's it for today's video. Thank you and see you again next time.